For our page 9, I am going to go ahead and use this cardstock or this page. So measure over 7 and cut it. Put this piece in your stockpile. Then measure over 7. Oh, sorry, I forgot how much was it. Sorry, this was 7. So measure over 8 and cut it. Put this piece in your stockpile. Now for this we are going to create a big pocket over here. Okay, so as I said, we are going to make a big pocket. So for that we are going to use this 8.5 inches, and along this 11 inches we are going to measure over 6 and cut it. This is for those who are going to use their Martha Stewart or any punch. For those who are not going to use their punch, they are going to measure over 5 by 1/8 and cut it. Okay, so I have this piece ready where I punch on one edge of this cardstock. So I'll go ahead and put this in on our mat. So similar way we are going to put glue on this main mat, or if you have score tape you can use score tape as well. And then I'm going to put this cardstock, I'll align it properly and make sure that there is an even spacing on both sides. So this is like pretty much very big pocket, and then I'm going to fold it behind. And glue it with our glue. This extra piece here. Now we need to put Prima cardstock, Prima paper on this. So in your reserve pile you will find this piece. So you have to go, you have to first measure over 5 and cut it. So if you don't have this strip, then it will be 5 inches in size. So everybody go ahead and cut 5 inches. Okay. If you see, this is we have put it in our reserve pile. Now, and if you see, it will fit properly here. So for those who are not using punch, for them it will be nice, they will have nice border around. But if you are using Martha Stewart punch, you will see little more white gap here, but don't worry, we'll fill it up with our laces. So now for this, measure over 6 by 7/8 and cut it. we are going to stitch our piece here. Okay, now this pocket is ready. Again we are going to make another small pocket here. I will show you how to make it. So in your cardstock you will find this white cardstock. So in your pile, you will find this white cardstock. So measure over 5 and cut it. And also measure over 3 and cut it. I think this is 5 by 5 or what? Yeah. Okay, so measure over 3 and cut it. So let's see. Okay, that's good. And also in your Prima cardstock file you will find this piece. We are going to measure over 2 by 7/8 and cut it. And on this side measure over 4 by 7/8 and cut it. So we'll go ahead and put this piece here. Again, make sure that you are leaving nice border on all sides, like equal border on all sides. Okay. Now we are going to make pocket with this. So what we are going to do, we are going to put glue on 3 sides. So on 3-inch side, 5-inch side, and again 3-inch side, and then we are going to place it properly in the middle, in the center of this pocket. Like this. If you see, you can stick in some tags or small photo mats over here. And now, okay, now I'm going to put this lace over here. So you can that way hide this white cardstock, and it will also look pretty with the lace. Okay. Also, I was thinking, like, over here we have this sentiment beauty. We'll again cut it and put white border around. So I have this ready, and I am going to again put our foam dots or pop dots. just place it here. I think I'll have to leave little, because if we are putting mats here, or do you think any other place where we can put this? Or I think I'll go ahead and put it over here. That's fine. Because we are not going to put very big picture mat or anything. We are just going to stick in some tags or something like that here. And if you want, we can also put a nice small lace here. Let's see what I have. Okay, I'm using this lace again. This is all. Our mat 9 is ready. Okay, now we'll start with our page 10. For page 10, again I'm going to use this as a base mat. Measure over 7 and cut it. Put this piece in your stock pile. Measure over 8 and cut it. Now for this piece we are going to create a photo booklet. Let's see. Okay. Now measure over 9 by 1/4 and cut it. On this 8.5 side, measure over 6.5 and cut it. Now we are going to score line. So measure over 4.5 and score a line. Again, turn it around, measure over 4.5 and score a line. Okay, so we will have these two lines in between, in the center. Okay, do the same thing for remaining two cardstocks. Okay, so I have these 3 pieces ready. I'm going to go ahead and pull them inside on the score line. Like this. I'll do the same for the other piece. Now we are going to put in between. You have to be really careful while doing this. You have to put glue in between these 2 score lines carefully. So just be careful. We have to be very careful. Just put a small straight glue line, making sure that you are not coming on that score line. And then we are going to put our next piece here very carefully. And then we are going to put our again I am going to put glue in between these two lines, and I'll put this, I'll place this properly in between, making sure that we are putting everything, we are aligning everything properly on top of each other. This is how we have this photo booklet ready. Put more glue here. Okay, so you have this booklet ready, and now we are to go ahead and put Prima cardstocks over here. So let's go ahead, and I think I found some leftover pieces in my stockpile, so I will go ahead and measure. I will go ahead and measure 6 by 3/8 and cut it. And on this side I will measure over 4 by 3/8 and cut it. So like this you have to cut 6 more photo mats, and for inside we'll cut some more. I will show you. Okay, so I have these 6 mats ready, so I will put them one by one on the front side, like on this side of every photo mat. Okay, so I have placed this Prima cardstock like paper pages on this front, on this top side of this photo mat. Now for inside I am planning to use solid color cardstock. So these are again Root Collections solid color cardstocks, 65 lbs. If you want you can add Prima paper here as well, but I'm going to go ahead and use this. So again, depending upon whichever papers you are planning to use, you are going to cut 4 by 3/8 against 6 by 3/8. Okay, so I have these 6 pieces ready, so go ahead and put 5 pieces inside, don't put anything on the back side. There is something we are going to do over there. Okay. Okay, so I have this booklet ready with our photo mats. Only thing, I don't have anything here yet because I am going to use this magnet. Okay, so we are going to place 2 magnets, and I am going to tell you the reason why I am planning to do this. Okay, so first thing is that's my scale. Okay, so at measure around 3 by 4. And then from here the center of this mat, that is 2 by 1/4, and place your 1 magnet. And we are going to do the same thing. We are going to we are going to leave 3 by 4 like on both sides, and we are going to put center, like this is 6.5, so the center is going to be 3 by 1/4, and we are going to stick our second magnet here. Okay, so this is the center, and then we are going to place our last photo mat here. Stick it nicely from all sides. And for this photo mat, we are going to leave, like this is 1/4. So it is going to be like this. Okay. So just measure 1 by 3/4. The center for this is where is my 1 by 3/4? It's very difficult to see this. 1 by, let me put this again, 1 by 3/4 on this side. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, and in the center is 3.5. So here is the center. We are going to place our third magnet. Okay. Okay, so we have magnets in here, and also we have magnet on the back. So let's see the magic. So if you want to use your pictures in horizontal format, you can stick it like this. It will get attached like this. And if you want them to be in vertical format, then you can put it like this. Okay, so you can use it in both ways. Okay. And also I am going to put this ribbon around. I have this lilac lip ribbon. What I'll do, I will measure around 3.5, and on this side again 3.5 to put our ribbon, and then we'll place our ribbon here. See, just measure around, let's see how much, 12 inches and cut it. And again on this side, where's my glue? Sorry. Okay, yeah. Measure over 12 inches and glue it. And cut it. So if once you place your booklet like this, you can tie a knot here. Okay, looks good. Also, I was thinking, do this later. I will put this sentiment here. You'll get this from your paper pad. So I'll go ahead cut this and put a white border around. Okay, so I have this ready. So I'll go ahead and put glue only at the bottom edge. And stick it here in the center. Just eyeball it and put it in the center. I'll put my favorite lace here. Okay, and this mat will stick like this, and I can put a bow over here. Okay, so this is how our mat 10 is ready. Now we are ready to decorate our mats with flowers and butterflies. Okay,